Hello everyone, it's Shane from Rapid-Sell here. Got another exciting item up for auction. This is part of a business relocation and downsizing auction we are holding in Guelph. This auction runs from Sunday, March 22nd to March 26th with a preview on March 25th. So I hope you all get a chance to take a look at some of these amazing items we have in this auction. Once again, I encourage you all to get more information on this auction and many others by visiting Rapid-SellOnlineAuctions or by downloading our app from the App Store or wherever you get your apps. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. Up for auction, lot number one is a Toyota electric forklift model 7FBCU30, a solid unit, very clean and great fit for a warehouse, shop, or light industrial use. A big advantage of a unit like this is its electric operation, meaning it runs quiet, produces no emissions, and is well suited for indoor environments. I can tell you that this is a very, very versatile machine, and it's a quick little fork truck. It moves around the shop floor effortlessly, and it's quiet, and everybody just kind of goes about doing their business, and this does the job. It was quite impressive. This forklift is equipped with a 48-volt system powered by an industrial battery rated at 1,100 amp hours, delivering strong and consistent performance throughout the workday. It also features a side shifter attachment, allowing for precise load positioning without having to reposition the entire machine, something operators really appreciate in tighter working conditions. This unit has a rated lift capacity of up to 5,250 pounds, depending on load position, making it a capable machine for a wide range of lifting tasks. The data plate indicates a maximum lift height of approximately 187 inches or about 15.5 feet, giving you excellent reach for stacking and storage. Another nice feature of this style of forklift is its compact design and tight turning radius, making it easier to maneuver in confined spaces like warehouses and loading areas. It has solid tires all around, ideal for a warehouse floor, helps reduce ongoing maintenance compared to pneumatic tires, and there's no screeching, no turning, no tire marks on the floor. Well positioned on the machine, and it moves around effortlessly. The operator area is clean and well laid out and with comfortable seating and intuitive controls, making it easy to operate for extended periods. Electric units like this are also known for their smooth acceleration and responsive handling, giving operators a more controlled and efficient working experience. The display shows about 7,545 hours of use, along with just over 34,000 kilometers of travel. It's a substantial, well-built machine with a truck weight of approximately 8,456 pounds, and it has a battery weight in the range of about 3,000 pounds. So it's stable and grounded during operation. If you didn't know, Toyota forklifts are widely recognized for their reliability, durability, and long service life, and it makes them a trusted choice across many industries. Overall, with its electric efficiency, maneuverability, and solid lifting capability, this forklift is a practical and dependable addition to any operation. So, good luck. Be sure to check out all the photos and videos, not only for this item, but all the other items that we have in this auction. And as always, you can get more information at rapidsell.ca or check out our app. If you haven't been using our app, please do so. Download it. It's extremely efficient and provides you with the most relevant and up-to-date information on all of our auctions and items. And you can get bidding with that. So bid, buy, and win with rapidsell.ca, and we'll check you again very, very soon. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.